Assalamu alaikum and very good morning, dear students. I'm from English department and I hope you people are enjoying good health by the grace of Allah Almighty. Dear class 6, before starting our topic today, let's talk about the value of the week, that is respectfulness, which means honoring the worth of others. Dear students, here is a proverb: do respect and have respect. Yes, and I suggest to use this proverb in your daily life. Okay, here is our topic: past indefinite tense. Dear students, the objective of the topic is to make students able to understand and use past indefinite tense in their English conversation and composition. Look at this introduction. वो हर रोज सैर को जाता था, वो मेरे दोस्त से मिला, मैंने चाय पी। प्यारे बच्चों, आप देख सकते हैं कि उर्दू जुमले के आखिर में ता था, अलिफ, छोटी ए वगैरह आता है. In English, he went for a walk daily. He met with my friend. I took tea. Please note the underlined verbs. They indicate past indefinite tense. Look at this identification. प्यारे बच्चों, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस के उर्दू के जुमले के आखिर में हमेशा अलिफ, छोटी ए, बड़ी ए या ता था, ती थी, ते थे वगैरह आता है. Okay, let's define this tense. Here is the definition of past indefinite tense. Dear students, past indefinite tense is used to indicate a finished or completed action that happened at a specific point in time in the past. The formation of affirmative sentence is very simple. We use subject, then second form of verb, then object. For example, I played hockey. She sang a song. Ali learned his lesson. प्यारे बच्चों, आप इन रेड अंडरलाइन वर्ब से अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि ये सब सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब हैं जो कि पास्ट इनडेफिनिट टेंस में इस्तेमाल होते हैं. इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंस we use subject plus helping verb did plus not for negative plus first form of verb plus object. For example, I did not play hockey. She did not sing a song. Ali did not learn his lesson. Okay, प्यारे बच्चों, यहाँ एक बात नोट कर लें. did के साथ हम लोग फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. ओके, इन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस वी यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब डिड एट फर्स्ट, देन सब्जेक्ट, देन फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, देन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क एट द एंड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डिड आई प्ले हॉकी? डिड शी सिंग अ सॉन्ग? Did Ali learn his lesson? Okay, प्यारे बच्चों, आप नोट करें, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस के आखिर में क्वेश्चन मार्क है. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, हियर इज द यूजेज ऑफ पास्ट indefinite tense. Dear students, we use past indefinite tense in action in stories. For example, he sat down and ordered a coffee. We use past indefinite tense in finished time period. For example, she painted the Mona Lisa. We also use past indefinite tense in habit in the past. For example, when I was young, I watched a lot of movies. Lovely students, please note the underlined verbs. They indicate past indefinite tense. Okay, here is the wrap up. My dear students, past indefinite tense is very simple. For identification, we can say that there comes ta tha, ti thi, te the, or alif chotiye badiye in the end of Urdu sentence. For formation, we use second form of verb in simple sentences. Did is the helping verb. Remember one thing again, when we use did in negative or interrogative sentences, we use first form of verb. Okay. Its uses are habit in past, action in stories, finished time period, etc. I hope now through this video you are able to understand the basic concept of past indefinite tense. So I would like to give you an exercise. You will write any 5 Urdu sentences on your notebook, and after translating them you will send it to me. Thank you very much.